Hi there. As we supply this second solution in our series, we say welcome to Funship Maths Academy. Today we'll be solving question 2, exercise 1A, chapter 1 of the New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary School, book 1. The purpose of this channel, as you all know, is to get you better prepared for your regular maths lectures and generally help you become better in mathematics. If possible, get you to be the best in mathematics, and that way it becomes easier for you to pass your JAM, for you to pass your WAEC, and whatever exams you have out there. We hope you'll take the time out to go through the solutions we provide on this channel, work them out yourself first, then see the steps taken to solve each question, so that even if assignments are given concerning any topic, you have solved these exercises on your own. By the time you get to class, you'll be in a position of advantage. You'll be able to better follow your teachers, your lecturers more easily. You'll be able to go with the flow and grasp the concept faster than most others. Most of your colleagues will definitely not be able to meet up with you. Following this channel will help you become a better math student. At the moment, we'll be working with textbooks for senior secondary school ss1 through to ss3. If you would like us to do the same thing for JAM pass questions and WAEC pass questions, let us know by hitting the subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so that you can get notification on any new solutions we provide. The more viewers who subscribe to this, the more we are spurred to upload 5 to 10 videos every day. That way, we'll get to the WAEC questions faster. So, please indicate your interest by hitting the subscribe button and the notification button. Only your interest will encourage us to solve these questions within the space of 1 to 2 years. Guys, let's know who is really interested so we can provide these solutions throughout the year. Enjoy the video as we solve question 2 right now. In this exercise, we are going to provide a step-by-step solution to one of the questions in Chapter 1, Exercise 1A of the New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools, Book 1. The question we're talking about is actually question 2 of that exercise. And it says a raised to power 3 times a raised to power 9. And we'll now say you've solved this on your own first, and then compare it with the solution we'll provide below. I always say this: solve these questions on your own first, then compare them. That way you can actually get to know your strengths. You can actually get better when you compare what you've done to what we've provided for you. So don't cheat. Try and solve yourself first and then get the solution. So let's solve this very fast. The solution is just simply using the first law of indices, which says x raised to power a times x raised to power b is equals to x a plus b. That's x raised to power a plus b. Now, the term x is the same for both figures. You see, it's the same term for both figures. X here, x here. That's where you can add up whatever powers they are raised to, and that's why you say x raised to power a plus b. So applying that to our question, you see that a raised to power 3 times a raised to power 9 is going to be equals to a raised to power 3 plus 9, and that will give us a raised to power 12, and there you have your answer.